going to report about identifying entry barriers, planning marketing strategy. Identifying entry barriers and planning marketing strategy is very important for a new business. Entry barriers in marketing are the obstacles or hindrance like a high cost government regulations, patience that make it challenging for the new competitors to enter a market limiting competition. A well-planned market entry strategy can help a business identify opportunities and make decisions to based on its strengths to gain competitive advantage in a new market. It can also help companies save time and money by determining the most efficient and effective way to enter a new market. Thank you.